BPI, East West credit cards. Let's review them both. Hi, this is Elle, and today we're going to talk about BPI and East West credit cards. So ito yung mga cards na mainly ginagamit ko. Okay, I have here my notes para alam ko kung ano yung flow ng video na to. I mean, madaanan ko talaga yung pros and cons ng both of the cards that I use. So yeah, here, as you can see in my card holder, talagang nasa unahan na talaga sila kasi ito talaga yung mas ginagamit kong credit cards. So here is my BPI Platinum. So here is the design. And then ito naman yung isa, which is the East West. And then the East West Bank the card that I use, East West Bank, is the JCB Gold. So here is the East West JCB Gold, and here is BPI Platinum Rewards MasterCard. So let's first start with East West Gold JCB. So I got this card last year lang, so wala pang 1 year din tong card na to sa akin. I love the design, yung pagka-gold niya, it's very classy and maganda naman yung dating niya, and I love the details dun sa card mismo na para siyang may pamaypay. I don't know what you call it, but whenever I see this kind of design, it just reminds me of Japan. Because as you can see, my card is JCB. Yun yung pinaka-payment network niya. So, it's Japan Credit Bureau. If I'm not mistaken, please correct me if I'm wrong. This payment network is from, obviously, Japan. So, my last winter trip in Japan, I've used this card many times. I mean, sa shopping, sa pagkain. Whenever I have to use a card, mas ito yung ginagamit ko. Kasi parang gusto ko lang i-take yung advantage na it's a JCB, and then I remember na they have a promo during that time period na nandun ako sa Japan na parang may cashback like around maybe 3,000 rebate, parang something like that, and i-check ko pa yun kung nag-reflect na yun sa akin. Basta ma-accumulate mo at least parang 15,000 pesos worth of purchase. Sa Japan yun. And then I think na-hit ko naman yun, but yeah, I have to check din if nabigay na talaga or na-credit na sa akin yung rebate na yon. Anyway, so yeah, let's see here kung ano yung pointing system nila sa card na to. East West JCB Gold credit card. So, every 100 is equals to 1 point. Actually, based sa mga nababasa ko or nakikita ko, parang medyo matagal siyang makakuha ng reward. I mean, makaipon ng reward kasi every 100 pesos, saka mo palang makukuha yung 1 point. Unlike sa ibang cards na parang every 20 pesos, minsan dinodoble pa nila yon. So, dun sa part na yan, medyo mabagal siya. And then the next is exclusive JCB promos. So, ang maganda doon kasi may mga times na si JCB maraming mga pa-promo and exclusive lang yun sa kanila, like yung mga Japan restaurants or iba't ibang mga merchants. Nakikita ko even sa Butej Hue, parang may buy one get one sila na ramen, something like that. I haven't tried it, but it's good to know na meron option or may promos na exclusive for JCB. Actually, sometimes I just check their website and dun ko na lang nakikita kung ano talaga yung mga existing promos nila at the moment. Next one is best card when traveling to Japan, which I mentioned kanina lang na ito talaga yung card na I used when I traveled to Japan. Mainly I used this card nung nandun ako. Sobrang ina-accept siya sa buong Japan kasi obviously nga galing sa kanila yung payment network. And then the next one is 2% forex exchange niya. So, this is because East West JCB siya. I don't know if sa ibang JCB ganun din ba, sa ibang banks, but particularly East West JCB is 2% yung forex rate. Para sa akin, medyo mataas pa din yun kasi I have the BPI. And BPI, I know, has one of the lowest, if hindi man sila yung lowest, which is 1.85%. And then itong East West, 2%. But still, compared naman sa ibang cards, I know na mas mababa pa rin sila kasi may iba parang I think 2.5 or I don't know, I'm not sure if may 3%. Pero still, okay na rin siya. Nasa middle ground siya. And then next one is exclusive JCB airport lounges. When you check the JCB website, makikita mo din dun kung saan ka may complimentary airport lounge nila. I was supposed to try it dun sa Kansai Pasay Airport. But since maganda naman yung airport doon, hindi ko na tinry. Medyo baka malate ako sa flight kasi mahaba yung pila sa check-in. So, hindi na ako nakapunta nakapag-explore ng JCB airport lounge nila doon. I think meron sa Japan and Hawaii ata na airport lounge. It's good to know na meron silang complimentary for JCB card holders. At ano to ha, hindi lang basta sa platinum, even sa gold. And then, I also like the East West JCB card because sometimes I use this sa mga purchases ko na mga high ticket purchase and then I can convert it to installment na 0% basta 3 months siya. Sobrang dali lang niya because of ESTA, yung sa messenger nila na I think ChatGPT powered siya, AI or something like that. And then super nice niya kasi mga times na syempre ayaw mo minsan mabigla ng pagbabayad ng malaking purchase and it's a good option to have. Basta lagi akong 3 months lang kasi ayoko na mag 6 months kasi syempre may patong na yun na interest and as much as possible gusto kong iwas sa mga interest na yan. Yun lang ako hanggang 3 months lang. Also, the good thing that I like about this bank also is they have updated their mobile app, which is very, very, very important. Lalo na ngayon that we always transfer online, we pay online. Nung una ko kasing nakuha to and then nag-download ako ng app nila na East West, sobrang sorry to say, medyo dinosaur yung app nila. Noong time na yon, last year yon. But good thing they have slowly updated and then nakasama na ako sa mga customers na nakakagamit na nung latest version ng mobile app or online banking nila, mobile banking nila. It's a really nice app, very easy to navigate, and modernly looking talaga siya. Compared dun sa last version ng mobile app nila, sobrang laki ng difference. So, sobrang laki points nun for me. I use this sa mga gas ko, even groceries. So, more on sa utilities ko ginagamit tong card na to. And yun talaga yung purpose niya. Sometimes sa mga food panda, randomly, lalo na pagkaka-cut off lang niya, gamitin ko siya. So, yeah, that's all for the East West JCB Gold. So, let's move on to BPI Platinum Rewards Mastercard. So, here is the BPI Platinum Rewards Mastercard. So, this one is my favorite kasi syempre, it's from BPI. BPI is my favorite bank. Anyway, so yeah, if you want to check out my unboxing video, please check this out. Yung card na to. Nagamit ko tong card na to more on sa travel. Kasi since platinum na siya, mas naka-align talaga yung promos nito into traveling. And ako, I also love to travel and mas dun ko siya nagagamit, like all of my airline ticket purchases, I purchase it via this card. Let's look at my notes here para mas madali. So as what I've said, this is more aligned to travelers. Meron siyang priority pass complimentary membership. So, I have a free membership for Priority Pass. Ibig sabihin, pwede akong makapasok dun sa mga airport lounge na partnered si Priority Pass. But, ang catch dun, every visit ko, meron akong ipipay na I think 20 USD or 30 USD, I'm not sure. Yun yung para sa akin medyo con. Kasi they didn't give us at least complimentary na every visit ko. So parang kailangan ko pa siyang i-buy. But I can waive it as long as ma-reach ko yung at least 30,000 pesos single receipt. I mean, single purchase lang yun na, hindi siya accumulated. So, kung may 30,000 at least ako na single purchase for accommodation or for airline, I can waive it yung pag-visit ko o yung pag-pay, yung nagamit kong visit na mawi-waive ko yung 20 USD or 30 USD. Pero for me kasi, it's such a hassle na tatawag pa ako sa bank na para i-waive nila. And I remember, nagamit ko na rin yung Pugs Lounge nila and I've used the Priority Pass. And ayun, na-charge ako ng I think 20 USD nga. And then I've tried to waive it, pero sabi nila wala daw akong na-reach na at least 30,000 single purchase. So, alam nga namang gumamit ako ng 30,000 pesos sa single purchase, right? So, hinayaan ko na lang siya and charge to experience. Anyway, sobrang comfy naman talaga sa airport lounge and then na-enjoy ko rin talaga yung food nila, lalo na sa Pugs Lounge. And then, let's move on to the reward system nila. So, every 30 pesos, may 2 points ka na. Imagine nyo yun na 2 points na agad every 30 pesos. or 20 foreign transaction, online man yan or abroad. So, mas mabilis makakaipon ng points dito sa card na to compared sa East West GCB Gold kasi nga every 100 pesos saka ka palang magkakaroon ng 1 point. Dito, 30 pesos tapos may 2 points ka na agad doon. So, sobrang bilis mag-accumulate ng points here, which is very nice. And then, number 3 is one of my favorites feature of this card is 0% installment on airline tickets. Yes. 0% installment yan, 3 months to 6 months. And I've used that so many times with my airline purchases, like yung mga recent yung Japan trip ko. I mean, kinonvert ko yung iba doon sa 3 months of installment or 6 months of installment para hindi rin ako mabigla. Okay na rin yun, wise move na rin yun kasi wala naman siyang interest eh. Gandang feature siya for me. Number 4 is priority lane hotline siya. So whenever I call the BPI hotline and then meron akong parang may option kasi doon tinatanong if Visa Signature holder ka or Platinum Rewards Mastercard holder ka and they will prioritize you talaga. Parang may ibang set of lane doon sa hotline nila. Kaya mabilis na sasagot yung tawag or mabilis kang nasasagot ng customer service, which is good. Next one is promos of BPI, like ECGs nila, yung mga giveaways, like every holiday, meron silang parang at least 200,000 pesos. Pag na-hit mo yun, magkakaroon ka ng 5K GC. And twice na akong nakahit ng ganon. And nakakuha ako ng 5,000 ECGs or gift certificates which na-convert ko na siya kung ano mang gusto ko yung nakapartner sila like IKEA or Landers, SNR, something like that. I always chose IKEA and naka 5K GC na rin ako doon. So, it's good, right? Na meron reward system na gano'n na ginagamit ko rin naman tong card na to. It's good to know na may makukuha or may benefit din ako like parang cashback or something like that. Next is travel insurance up to 10 million pesos whenever I use this. So, every airline purchase na ginamit ko tong card na to, meron akong travel insurance na up to 10 million. So, diba? It's really a good feature. And then, as I've mentioned a while ago, 1.85% ang foreign exchange rate nitong card na to. I think lahat ng BPI. So, that's why this is my favorite card talaga kasi mapa-abroad man yan or dito sa Pilipinas, para sa akin, sulit talaga tong card na to. Both of these cards these are 6 digits na rin. Itong BPI Platinum Rewards Mastercard, I've tried to ask yung customer service nila to increase my credit limit and then super bilis nilang mag-approve. Hindi pala sobrang bilis. Parang like, after 1 week, na-approve naman yung request ko na i-increase nila yung credit limit ko. And then, aside from that, may madness limit pa ako. Yun na yung madness limit na 2 times nila yung credit limit mo. Tapos, yung madness limit na yun, you can only use that for installments. And recently, sobrang nagamit ko talaga yung madness limit na yon sa mga appliance showcase na bahay na binili ko. And then, aside from that, yun nga, na-mention ko yung credit limit increase nila. Madali namang kausap sila as long as magpo-provide ka lang ng proof of income, which is yung in-email ko sa kanila is, nagpa-email kasi sila sa akin ng supporting document for proof of income, which I sent my ITR. So, after nun, parang ilang days lang, na-approve na siya, may nag-text na, and then nakita ko na sa mobile app ko na dagdagan yung credit limit ko, which is good. Thank you so much, BPI. And then aside from that, mobile app nila, of course, I really like it kasi nag-upgrade na rin sila from the old app. For me, mas na-enhance na nila yung feature, mas marami na siyang options, mas madaling i-navigate for me, and mas user-friendly siya, and hindi siya boring tingnan, aesthetically pleasing. So for me, good job BPI, and napakahalaga talaga ng mobile apps. That's why thank you so much sa mga banks na talagang nag-a-upgrade or ina-update nila yung mobile app nila para mas swak sa panahon natin ngayon. It's 2024, right? If you have any questions regarding these 2 credit cards that I use, let me know. I try to be more simple when it comes to using my cards. I just want to stick to these 2 cards na lang rather than managing multiple cards. But I still have 2 other credit cards na naka-back up lang sila, hindi ko sila masyadong ginagamit. Yung I have RCBC and Security Bank, parang back up na lang sila. Since yung RCBC naman no annual fee for life. So, kahit di ko siya gamitin, wala naman ako kailangan ipa-waive. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. Bye!